make a snowman.
You're not.
My snowball! I can see snowflakes.
Poor Nessa.
Look, Mom, there's my snow angel.
Oh, look, it's beautiful.
Wish I could let her run off leash.
You probably could, because you can't get anywhere very fast.
I'm going to catch you, Nessa!
Yeah, because she'll stay with us.
This is getting. This is deep over here. This is deep. Hi, Vern. Then the other place is mine. I'm going to get to the other place.
Katie, Lily.
Nessa, come. Come.
Katie, Lily.
Come. You can do it.
Venez, regardez.
Come on.
Katie, Lily. Katie, Lily.
Come on. If you're going to be a snow dog, you're going to have to do better than this.
Katie, Lily.
Come on. You can do it. Quick. Don't eat the snow.
She feels funny without her leash.
Mm.
Come, Nessa.
Good girl. Smart dog. Follow those footprints, huh?
We should put the coat on the underside.
Yeah.
See my track?
Lily, regarde. Je la tiens pas en laisse.
Come. Good dog. Come.